Hey guys, and welcome to Whoa! Pink Bird! What? Can you see I'm doing a Pink Bird show here? Hi, and welcome to Pink Bird! Hi, and welcome to Pink Bird! What? You're an 8-bit! Huh? Yeah, look at the camera. Oh, you're right. I'm all pixel art. Yeah, it's about time you realize. Usually you don't listen to me. Be quiet, sometimes I do listen to you. When? Last time when I was trying to tell you that I destroyed King Pig, all you did just sit there and tickle on your DS. But I brought that DS 2 days ago. How am I supposed to know to listen to you or not? Because sometimes you tell some very dirty lies. Like what? Like this one time you said I burned the DS in the fire, and then you said April Fools because it was April 1st when that happened. Whatever. So anyway, welcome to Pink Bird. What? The show is already supposed to end. Why? Because. Nah, just move out the way. Ow, 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 ow. Watch the hair. That's it, folks. Ooh, Pink Bird is not around. That means I can host a show. Hey guys! Welcome to another The Space Bluebird Show! Yeah, that's right. We're making another series and no you aren't! Be quiet, Pink Bird. Anyway, we're making a new series and no, wait, don't press stop recording yet! No!